The haunting reality of DUI. Justice for Emma, Lacy, and Keanna. Imagine a world where a single choice shatters lives forever. A world where innocent children become victims of reckless decisions. This is the reality of DUI, and today we delve into two heartbreaking cases that demand our attention and action. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. The case of Hunter Williams is a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of drunk driving. A 19-year-old, Williams faces felony DUI charges involving death and great bodily harm. This stems from a September accident in Colleton County, South Carolina, that irrevocably altered two families' lives. Emma Lake, a vibrant 9-year-old, lost her life in this tragic incident. Lacy Wiggins, just 10 years old, suffered severe injuries that continue to impact her daily existence. Williams also faces 2 charges of purchasing alcohol as a minor, compounding the severity of his alleged actions. At the scene of the accident, Williams' blood alcohol content, BAC, was 0.160. This is double the legal limit, painting a clear picture of the alleged recklessness that led to this tragedy. The numbers don't lie. They scream of a preventable disaster. In October, Williams was initially denied bond, recognizing the gravity of the charges against him. The court acknowledged the potential danger he posed to the community. This initial decision offered a glimmer of hope for justice. However, the legal process took an unexpected turn when a judge ordered a psychological evaluation for Williams. This was prompted by concerning suicidal comments he allegedly made. The evaluation became a focal point in the subsequent bond hearing. The defense presented the evaluation, arguing that Williams was not a threat to himself or others. Defense attorney Scott Bischoff quoted Williams' remorseful statements, attempting to sway the judge's decision. But can remorse truly undo the damage inflicted? The defense requested a $25,000 bond per charge, a sum that seemed woefully inadequate considering the devastation caused. They proposed house arrest, a ban on alcohol and driving, and mental health treatment. Was this a genuine attempt at rehabilitation, or a calculated maneuver to minimize consequences? Despite the defense's arguments, Judge Marvin H. Dukes III ultimately denied bond again. He cited no change in circumstances from the original ruling, upholding the initial decision. This denial offered a small measure of solace to the grieving families. The most heart-wrenching moments of the hearing came from the victim impact statements. Tamara Lake, Emma's mother, pleaded for justice for all victims, emphasizing the danger Williams allegedly posed. Her words echoed the pain and anguish of a mother robbed of her child. Jennifer Wiggins, Lacy's mother, described Lacy's ongoing physical and emotional struggles. Lacy is in physical therapy and requires multiple surgeries, a constant reminder of the trauma she endured. The road to recovery is long and arduous, filled with pain and uncertainty. In response, Bischoff expressed sympathy for the victims and their families. He stated disagreement with the court's ruling and vowed to evaluate evidence and statements made by civil plaintiffs' lawyers. But words of sympathy ring hollow in the face of such profound loss. Currently, Williams remains in Colleton County Jail, awaiting his fate. The legal proceedings continue, and the families of Emma and Lacy continue to seek justice. Their lives are forever changed, and the pursuit of accountability is paramount. While the Williams case unfolds in South Carolina, a crucial battle is being waged in Tennessee to strengthen DUI laws. A new bill aims to enhance penalties for drunk drivers, a direct response to a disturbing trend. From 2019 to 2023, alcohol-related vehicular deaths in Tennessee surged by a staggering 36%. This alarming increase underscores the urgent need for stricter measures to deter drunk driving. The proposed bill seeks to address this crisis head-on, offering a glimmer of hope for safer roads. It's a step towards preventing future tragedies. One of the key provisions of the bill lowers the BAC threshold for aggravated vehicular homicide and assault. Currently at 0.20%, the bill proposes reducing it to 0.15%. This seemingly small change could have a significant impact on holding drunk drivers accountable. The case of Keanna Morris further fuels the urgency for this legislation. Keanna was tragically killed by an alleged drunk driver, Donna Matlock. Matlock reportedly had open alcohol containers in her vehicle and failed sobriety tests at the scene. Keanna's family is now calling for stronger legal consequences for drunk drivers. They seek justice for Keanna and hope to prevent other families from experiencing similar heartbreak. Their pain is a powerful catalyst for change. The bill has already passed the Senate and is scheduled for discussion in the House Judiciary Committee on April 2nd. This is a critical juncture, and the outcome will determine the future of DUI enforcement in Tennessee. The stakes are incredibly high. The stories of Emma, Lacy, and Keanna are not isolated incidents. They represent countless lives shattered by the preventable crime of drunk driving. We cannot stand idly by while innocent people become victims of reckless choices. We must demand accountability, advocate for stronger laws, and support organizations dedicated to preventing DUI. Every voice matters, and together we can make a difference. The time for action is now. Here's how you can help. Contact your Tennessee representatives. Urge them to support the DUI bill and advocate for stricter penalties for drunk drivers. Your voice can influence their decisions. Support organizations like Mothers Against Drunk Driving, MAD. Donate your time or resources to help them continue their vital work in preventing DUI and supporting victims. Share these stories, raise awareness about the devastating consequences of drunk driving, and encourage others to take action. Knowledge is power. Pledge to never drink and drive. Make a personal commitment to protect yourself and others from the dangers of DUI. Your choices matter. If you or someone you know has been affected by DUI, seek support. There are resources available to help you cope with the trauma and navigate the legal process. You are not alone. Let us honor the memories of Emma, Lacy, and Keanna by fighting for a future where no one else suffers the same fate. Let their stories be a catalyst for change, inspiring us to create safer communities for all. Together, we can make a difference.